Hey guys, Josh here from MobileTechVideos.com with a very exciting announcement. Today we are announcing our Galaxy S4 JTAG brick repair. Alright, as I mentioned, this is our Galaxy S4 JTAG brick repair promotional, in which we show you how we can revive your dead Galaxy S4. Keep in mind, MobileTechVideos.com has been innovating world's first solutions for the Galaxy S1, 2, 3, and now 4 models for over 2 years. So trust us as your trusted cell phone repair source. Here we have our Galaxy S4, the bricked unit for the day. This particular unit is the AT&T i337 unit. However, we can perform this repair on all US variants as well as international variants in the event you've bricked your phone due to a bad software flash or incompatible download. Fear not, MobileTechVideos.com has your solution. So when I say bricked, I mean that when we put the battery in this device and we try to power it on, we get nothing. The device will remain lifeless. It's as if the device basically cannot power on at all. And sometimes if you plug this into a Windows PC, we'll see Qualcomm high-speed upload as the driver that gets announced. That's a fail-safe mode that the device will go into, but it's not going to be repairable with any other method other than JTAG if that's the case. So you can see our download mode jig has also failed to get the device into download mode. However, as I mentioned before, fear not, MobileTechVideos.com has your trusted solution. Watch now as we fix your Galaxy S4. Alright, we have our Galaxy S4 revived after a successful JTAG brick repair operation. As you can see, the device functions and performs flawlessly. You would never have any clue that we just JTAG repaired this device or had it open. All of our methods will be undetectable from the end user standpoint. And we've got no IMEI damage, everything works just fine. Cell phone, all applications. And everything is as it was and as it should be. Keep in mind sometimes we do need to do a factory data reset, therefore you would lose data, but you can use our data recovery option available at the link below if you'd like to have your data recovered in addition to the repair itself. So check us out, guys, mobiletechvideos.com. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter to keep up with the latest greatest news that we put out. If you don't see your cell phone repair listed on our website, give us a call, 657-444-JTAG. That's 657-444-5824, and we can talk about adding support for your phone today. Remember where you saw the Galaxy S4 JTAG brick repair first? mobiletechvideos.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video as a new YouTube subscriber.